We're here at Cars Brakes May Squeak Park, and we're talking about a super heavily searched topic: why do my brakes squeak? And this is a fairly straightforward answer here. So we've got a new brake pad right here. You can see that's a clean surface. There's no grooves, there's no blemishes on there. And then also what we do with our brakes is we put an anti-squeal treatment or lubricant onto that pad so it doesn't make noise. Okay. Now here's an example. You can see this brake pad has really big grooves in it right here along the top of the pad. This brake rotor was really damaged. Now whether that was rocks getting in there or just the brake rotor got overheated by stopping, who knows, but that causes brake noise when you have a rotor like that that's uneven and then it's wearing on that pad like that. The other option is the pad itself has a squeaker, as some people call it, a wear indicator. As the pad gets low on life, it's going to let you know by making a little squeaking noise. Okay, that's time to get in and get your brake pads and rotors changed. And you do want to change those as a pair, because think of it, shoes, you don't want to change one shoe and not the other. Your brake pad rides on the rotor, so they wear together, and you want to change them as a pair. That's how you get the optimal lasting power out of the brakes. Typically, we get about 60,000 miles out of our brake jobs for our customers. So any questions, give us a call over here at Cars Brakes May Squeak Park.
877-4277